It's okay if it takes longer than you thought. You didn't give up. Keep going. Some people arrive and make such a beautiful impact on your life. You can barely remember what life was without them. Be happy with the little that you have. There are people with nothing that still manage to smile. Prove yourself to yourself, not others. Nobody can make you happy until you are happy with yours first. Life does not have to be perfect to be wonderful. Our eyes are placed in front because it is more important to look ahead than to look back. Your true character is most accurately measured by how you treat those who can do nothing for you. Those who talk down to you are just trying to walk tall by making you feel small. Rise above. You can't change someone who doesn't see an issue in their actions. What people think about you is not important. What you think about yourself means everything. A strong soul shines after every storm. Notice all the people who make an effort to stay in your life. Don't waste words on people who deserve your silence. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can say is nothing at all. Silence is the best answer to someone who doesn't value your words.